Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're unpacking a truly fascinating piece of tech in this explainer, LALAL.AI. If you've ever worked with audio, you absolutely know the headache of trying to, well, unbake a cake. By that, I mean trying to pull a single instrument or voice out of a fully mixed track. It used to be nearly impossible. But wow, the technology has officially caught up to our wildest imaginations. We are diving into a highly advanced AI-powered vocal remover and music source separation service that is honestly fundamentally changing the game for audio editing.
Okay, let's take a quick look at our agenda for today. First, we'll meet LALAL.AI. Second, we're going to look at how the AI actually works. Third, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide. And finally, number 4, we'll do an impartial breakdown of the pros and cons. Let's get right into it.
Section 1. Meet LALAL.AI, the ultimate audio separation tool.
So what exactly is LALAL.AI? Basically, at a high level, it's an artificial intelligence service built specifically for music source separation. It's not just some generic audio filter. It literally extracts specific audio components from a file, and the kicker here is that it does it without ruining the original sound quality.
Now, to really get how this works, we have to talk about something called stems. If you're in the audio world, you know this, but stems are those specific, isolated components extracted from a file. Think of isolated vocals, a clean instrumental background, or just an individual bass line. LALA.AI lets you cleanly pull these individual stems straight out of a single flattened file. Like I said, unbaking the cake.
Because it can churn out these incredibly clean acapellas and background tracks, it's become an absolute must-have across the creative world. Music producers are using it to sample tracks, video editors are relying on it to rescue important dialogue from super noisy environments, and yes, even karaoke enthusiasts are using it to strip vocals right out of their favorite songs. Let's be honest, that saves us all from having to sing over the original artist, right?
All right, let's move on to Section 2, how the AI works. Inside the neural networks.
The heavy lifting here is all done by LALAL.AI's seriously advanced machine learning and proprietary artificial intelligence networks. Right now, their top-tier, cutting-edge AI model goes by the name Phoenix. And Phoenix is definitely not just some basic algorithm. It's a deep neural network designed from the ground up to understand the incredibly complex acoustics of recorded music. To really appreciate the leap in tech we're talking about, just think about older software. The old stuff had to rely on basic equalization, which is essentially just turning down the frequencies where human voices usually sit, or it used phase cancellation. Those were basically just audio tricks, and they almost always left you with audio that sounded muffled, kind of like you were listening underwater. LALAL.AI completely flips the script. It uses neural networks trained on literal terabytes of studio-quality data to mathematically extract stems based on their unique acoustic signatures. And because of all that deep neural training, the AI can isolate way more than just a vocal track. In just a few seconds, it can pinpoint and extract highly specific instruments right out of a super dense, complicated mix. We're talking drums, bass, piano, electric guitar, acoustic guitar, and even synthesizers. It actually recognizes the acoustic signature of a piano key strike versus an acoustic guitar strum and completely separates them into two distinct audio files. It's absolutely wild. Moving right along, Section 3, Step-by-Step Guide, your workflow journey. Okay, the absolute best part about all this complex AI, the user experience is wonderfully simple. You really do not need a degree in audio engineering to use this. The whole platform operates through a highly intuitive drag-and-drop web interface that runs right in your browser. There are no massive software downloads required here. The workflow itself is incredibly streamlined. You just visit the LALA.AI website, pick your specific stem extraction type from a simple drop-down menu, like say drums or vocals, and upload your file. That's it. From there, the AI takes the wheel and generates a quick preview so you can actually hear the separated tracks first. If you're happy with the result, you just click Process, spend your credits, and boom, download your brand new stems. It's also super versatile when it comes to the types of files you can feed it. It supports a massive range of both audio and video formats. Whether you're working with a standard MP3 or WAV, a high-fidelity FLAC or AIFIF, or even video files like AVI, MP4, and MKV, LALAL.AI will take it, strip the audio, process it, and hand you back those clean stems. Now for Section 4, Pros and Cons, an impartial breakdown.
Looking at the advantages, LALAL really does lead the industry in quality. It gives you incredible processing speed right alongside that broad format support. But the real game changer, that instrument specificity. Being able to target just a piano or just a bass in ways that those old school vocal removers simply cannot do.
But honestly, the most crucial pro, the big reason the pros actually use this, is the minimal bleeding. Now, in audio extraction, bleeding is when you can hear the faint ghost of an instrument lingering in your isolated vocal track or vice versa. Thanks to that Phoenix neural network, LALA.AI offers some of the absolute cleanest stem separation available anywhere today, virtually eliminating that ghosting effect under the right conditions. Now, in partially speaking, we gotta talk about the limitations. First off, for full use and full track downloads, it is strictly a paid service. The free version, that's really just for those previews we talked about. Also, because all the heavy lifting happens on their remote servers, you absolutely must have an active internet connection. No offline mode here. And finally, you'll need to keep an eye on your specific paid plan, because there are limits on maximum file size and duration. And just to expand on that a bit, please consider this a major warning for your workflow. The AI is incredibly powerful, yes, but it isn't magic. It firmly follows the golden rule of data: garbage in, garbage out. If the original audio you upload is highly compressed, heavily distorted, or just really low quality, the AI is going to struggle to identify those acoustic signatures. And when it struggles, it might leave behind weird digital artifacts, making the stems sound a bit robotic or warped. Bottom line, the better the input, the better the output. So to wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this final thought. We've seen exactly how neural networks are fundamentally rewriting the rules of what is possible in audio extraction. So when you look at your own creative projects, whether you're producing music, cutting a video, or just making custom karaoke tracks for the weekend, how might LALAL.AI fit into your current editing workflow? Or, keeping those limitations in mind, do you think you might need alternative offline tools instead? Having this capability right at our fingertips is absolutely fascinating, and understanding how it works empowers you to make the best creative choices. Thanks for joining me today. Keep learning and keep creating.